Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Tavian's World of Reptiles. I hope you are all well and taking care of yourselves. So we have another enclosure upgrade today. As you can see behind me, Cruella's enclosure and Maleficent's enclosure has been emptied out. Well, I mean, I still need to clean it out, but they are no longer in there. In fact, Cruella is now in my four enclosure setup thing that I have here. So let's check her out for a minute. So there she is. She is down here. This was Zuko's enclosure originally. And now that you guys saw that I moved him into that other newer enclosure and I moved Cruella down here, it is about an inch bigger than her last enclosure. So it's not a huge upgrade, but I definitely want to get this one cleared out. And I want to get it cleared out for a reason, because once I get this all cleaned out, I want to remove this middle piece here and make it one full enclosure. And this is what I'm planning to put Tigger in, and so I'm very excited for that. I'm just kind of making one move at a time, trying to get one person shifted at a time, just so that I can get to this, really mainly this big piece here is to just get this center piece taken out so that Tigger can move into this when the time comes. So let's go check out the new enclosure that I got up, who Maleficent has moved from here into. Let's go check it out. All right, so here it is, everybody. Sorry about the glare. It's kind of daylight. It's kind of hard to see, but as you can see, I've gotten it for the most part the glass as clean as I can get it. And now I had a plan for a hook, but this wood is so very hard that I thought I could just like easily screw those hooks in without a drill, and I was wrong. And so the until I can actually get a drill, I can't put the latches that I had planned for this on. So let me show you what I've got happening to keep the doors closed, and it works just fine. So there's one nail, and wait, this way, there's two nails, and then it just comes open like so. And there we have it. There's the inside, you guys. Look at it. Does it look good? Does it look good? I like it. I think it looks fantastic. So I have got, because mostly I just have this, what is it called? Vinyl that is down right there. But then I have this tub that's in here where actually Maleficent is right now, and she is hiding in this hide that I have made for her. And this is purely to be able to mist down and have the heating pad underneath it so that it can kick up some humidity into the air and keep the humidity up. I don't have a way of creating a lip really at this time to keep the substrate in the entire thing. So just so that she does have a space with some substrate in, that's pretty humid and that will kick up humidity with the heating pad underneath it, I have that in there and it's working just fine. But also we have a water bowl and a hide for her, so that should work out just fine for her as well. And she's not in there, but she will be. So yeah, there you guys have it. If you guys have any suggestions on how you would make this better, I do know I need more decor, some more greenery. I would like to get some vine-like plants and kind of put them in some rectangular potters or planters on the sides so that they can kind of grow up and around the top. And that means I have to put some lights in, so that's just like future thoughts. I'm not sure if I'll actually do that, but for now, I think this is working perfectly. Again, if you have any suggestions on how I can make this better or whatever, or maybe even how I could actually make a lip for the substrate to be in the entire enclosure, I would be happy to hear that. In the meantime, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is Tavian's World of Reptiles. We are out. Y'all take care. Love yourselves. Love your loved ones. Love your reptiles. You guys keep spreading those herps.